let's get into this Gangster clown. I started with foundation first. I'm using my fave. It's the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Apply that all over my face. And prior to that, I had done my brows and primed my lids. So going in with the Alien palette from Jeffree Star and using this black and applying it all over the lid. And then I'm going in with this gray color and blending that into the crease. And then I wasn't happy with the black payoff, and so I'm going in with the James Charles and Morphe palette and putting that on my lid. And then blending the gray shadow again into the crease, just kind of trying to blend the lid color into the crease color. It's looking blue, it's super annoying, but whatever. I'm using whatever liner I have here, I have no idea which one it was, and creating these little triangle shapes over my eyebrows, and then I'm going to fill it in with the same black liner. Any like felt tip black liner will work. And then I'm using the same black shadow from the James palette and just blending out the edges of these triangles. I want this look to be kind of grungy and no harsh lines anywhere. And then I'm adding some of the black to my eyebrows to blend them in better. And then I'm going to add a wing on each eye. And then I'm going to go in with this NYX glitter and glitter glue from some other company I'll link below, and applying the glitter to my lids. I think this one is in gunmetal. I even extend some of the glitter up into the crease and kind of blend it out that way. And then I just add some of these Ardell lashes. And then I just used a gel liner I had and added it to my waterline. And then I bought this gem pack from Amazon. It came with just a bunch of different colors, and I'm using the black. So I apply the glue, I let it sit there for a couple seconds and get tacky, and then I apply the gems. If you don't let it sit, the gem just kind of like won't attach to your face. So apply it, let it sit and dry a little bit, and then add the gems. No matter what you do, it's a big pain in the ass, but it turns out looking good though. And then I'm just going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I think this is the color Fair. Clowns have really light color under eyes, and so I kind of went with one of the lighter concealers that I have, using a sponge and a brush just to kind of get it placed where I want it. And then I'm going to use the same black shadow and put it under my lower lash line, kind of blend it out. And then I'm going to use that same gray shadow and blend that under my eyes too. And just keep blending and blending and pulling it down slowly. If you take a whole bunch of shadow and pull it down really quickly, you're going to have a blending nightmare. So put a little bit on, blend it down, put a little on, blend it down. And then I'm adding the black shadow to my nose, and then I blend that out with a bigger, fluffier brush too. And then I add glue and glitter. That same gunmetal glitter. I do the same process under my eyes, so I'm adding the glue and then adding the glitter. Be careful here, don't get glitter in your eyes. And then blending again. And then just whatever bronzer you have, create some shadows. That's good contrast for the really stark white under eyes for a clown. And then using my trusty Mehron overworked palette here, the water activated paint. This is way easier to paint the triangles on with, so if you have it, use it instead of liner. And then just doing the same process under my eyes with the glue and the gems. Oh, and here what I'm doing is I'm adding the glitter glue all over the gems and in between them, and then I'm going in with the same glitter that I used on my eyelids. It makes it more shiny and glittery. I really liked how that turned out. I put it on the bottom and top triangles. And then here I'm just using a matte liquid lipstick by Maybelline. Then I line my lips with black liner. You want to do your normal lip shape, and then if you're going to overline them like I'm doing right now, you do it after you have already lined and filled in your normal lip shape. If you just start drawing a random lip that's overlined, you're going to have a giant mess. So then in here, I'm just extending the lips like a clown would have with the liquid liner and the liquid lipstick, adding glitter to my lips, and then also smoking out the lines here so there's no harsh lines. And I have my kiddo help me put this choker on and these giant diamond hoop earrings and my diamond grill. And that is the completed look.